Hello guys, so this is my 2022 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and this is the Flash X model that I got for my bike. It's for about 2000 rupees. Let me show you what you get in the box. So this has 60 patterns, it's plug and play, no switch required, tail lamp integration, onboard LED indicator, water resistant, OEM grade components, shock proof, memory recall, auto pause feature. So I think this is one of the best hazard flashes that you can get for your bike. Let's see what inside this. Get the wiring harness to this, stick it, and get a manual how to activate the Flash X, to change the blinking pattern, to save or deactivate, auto pause to deactivate. Here's the Flash X, as you can see. Really neat. So you have to put this here like this, and this goes inside the under seat of the bike. Let me show you how to do that. You'll have to open this to pull the latch that is for this seat. You pull this and remove the seat. Once you open the plug which is beside your ECU, this is the one that goes to your tail light. As you can see, you have to connect the Flash X here, so disconnect this. Here, so this is how it looks when it is connected. The male and female coupling, and fix this. So to activate, you have to do right, left, right, stop. This one is without the taillight integration. You can cycle through 60 different patterns and see what you like. You even have LEDs here, so you can see. You don't have to go in the front and see what pattern is running. You can see from here, that's the left and right. I have the same thing on my Himalayan.